In Magic Kingdom, there's a place called Gaston's Tavern. It is themed around the famous but arrogant, charming man's man from Beauty and the Beast, not to be associated with this guy. Today we are recreating the Gaston Tavern's cinnamon roll, and due to Gaston eating 5 dozen eggs a day, it's gonna be big. Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Remy's Apprentice. Please remember to hit that thumbs up icon, subscribe, and leave me some feedback in the comments below. Let's get this party started with 6 cups all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup melted butter, 1½ cups of milk, half a cup of sugar, 4½ teaspoons dry active yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs. All ingredients for our dough. Bring a half a cup of water to 110 degrees Fahrenheit before adding our yeast. Let's go ahead and melt down our butter a little bit before adding in our milk. Melt down butter completely before setting to the side. Let's go ahead and break out our stand mixer and add 2 cups of flour, sugar, frothy yeast, salt, blend together with paddle, and add eggs. Then add our milk mixture. Add in the rest of your flour, half cup at a time. Add in melted butter when everything is combined. After butter is added, allow to spin for 5 minutes before switching from paddle to hook. Allow hook to run for 8 minutes. Remove dough from hook and place on a floured work surface. Knead lightly and add to a bowl, cover, and allow to rest for 10 minutes. Alright, now it's time for our filling. 1 cup softened butter, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, and 2 cups of brown sugar. Add butter, cinnamon, and sugar to a bowl and begin to mix. And you should have a sandy paste like this. Place dough on a floured work surface and begin to roll until you have a rectangle shape that is a centimeter thick. Once you have it rolled out, add your filling to the top of the dough. It is easiest to work it in with your fingers. Now it's time to roll as evenly as possible. Okay, we are cutting these rolls thick enough for Gaston, so they need to be quite larger cuts than normal. Cut your roll in half, then your halves in half, and your halves in half. Place your rolls in a well-greased baking pan. Cover and allow to rise for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you should have something that looks like this. Place into oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Gonna start our cream cheese frosting. Let's get serious on this with 2 cups powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons heavy cream, 4 tablespoons butter, 8 ounces cream cheese. There you go, making frosting great again. Melt down your butter in a saucepan. After butter is completely melted down, add in cubes of your cream cheese. When your mixture looks like this, add in all ingredients excluding your powdered sugar. And it should look as smooth as this. Add your powdered sugar to a bowl before mixing your cream cheese mixture. Perfect timing, cinnamon rolls are complete. Keep in mind that you should wait 45 minutes to an hour before adding your cream cheese glaze. But I'm impatient, so I'm gonna do it now. Okay, let's go ahead and do our butterscotch topping. Start with a half cup heavy cream, half teaspoon of salt, 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, half cup packed brown sugar. Alright, whatever, you get it. Alright, add butter to a saucepan and allow to melt completely. This is like deja vu, like I've been here before. When butter melts completely, add in salt and vanilla extract. When the smell of the vanilla hits you, go ahead and add in your brown sugar. When it starts to resemble butterscotch, go ahead and add in your heavy cream. Mix and allow to boil for 5 minutes. Set to the side and add to a separate bowl to cool. Alright, work's done. Now it's time to dress this puppy up. I don't actually think I have to explain to you how good this was. It speaks for itself. They turned out so fluffy. I actually don't understand how Gaston stays fit. Alright folks, I'm headed to the treadmill. Till next time on Remy's Apprentice, cheers.